Up and at 'em, lads.
Hello, this is 240 Pixel. This is my game in British Tier 10 Tank Destroyer FE215B183. I'm platooned up with my friend Gertrude, and we are in Himmelsdorf in Encounter game. It's a quite nice matchup. As you see, it's only 5 top tier tanks and quite a huge amount of tier 8s, which is really nice considering the possibility of damage with this gun. Actually, this game was recorded just recently after the nerf on premium shells of this tank, which got reduced from 275 to 210. Here you see I just shot completely unnamed shot to that T28 prototype. I hadn't got much time to aim actually, so now I tried to angle my front, but he penetrates me. I used my repair kit, come around the corner, load my gun and finish him off. So yeah, we're now pushing 8 line. We try to flank those guys on the hill. It's pretty nice that we didn't encounter much of enemies in this location, and I expected to see 100 actually, but all we get is IS-3, who bravely takes a shot at me, but I just wait to come around the corner and blast him with that 183mm gun. I expect him to get one shot, but no, actually we roll only for 651, so that's non-penetration on tier 8 tank. Luckily my friend is around and he just finishes him off. Slowly we go up the hill, trying to get on the back of those tanks who are rapidly killing our teammates. As you see, we just losing one by one. It's just really fast. And now we set our sights for that E100, who is almost on full health, and since he's probably showing back on us, I expected to do at least 1,500 damage, but unfortunately, as you see, I aim for the back of his turret, I shoot, but I only roll less than 700 damage. But luckily my friend comes and finishes him up as well, so we just had done less than 1,600 damage over the course of this game so far. But this one, I'm waiting for that IS-7 to go down, because I don't want him to have shots on my flank. I side scrape on that Jagdtiger. Jagdtiger penetrates me, but I penetrate him as well. So it's generous shot, 1,800, because I set him on fire. So that's nice. I'm loading my last premium shell, and I'm going down the hill after that IS-7, who managed to kill our Tiger 2. And here he's running away and we're chasing, and there's only three of us left against quite a good players in enemy team. I mean the Budget and T62A, and we are in pursuit of that IS-7, who is actually on 900 health, which means it's gonna get really nasty like that. I shot an aim shot and I hit him, unlike him. So now we both did quite nicely, but there's only Bacha, T62A and Ferdinand left, and they start to cap. Since it's encounter mode, we have plenty of time to you know, make make our move from less obvious location, which means getting in the same spot as our e5, so we could have more chance against them, because we expect them all to be in one location, and yeah, I wait for my teammate to come around corner first, since I had much less HP. He has full health, so I let him to pass me and possibly to take shots. So yeah, I see it's only a Ferdinand, so he finishes off the Ferdinand, and we have brothers in arms right now. But the game is not over yet. There are two quite good medium tank players, and we set strong defensive position here. He is watching that side, I'm watching this side, and we started to cap and wait for them to come. So yeah, e5 is overwatching, and yeah, I nailed that 62A with AP shell, over 1000 damage, but it's just because he made a huge mistake and he drove over the corner and he couldn't shoot on me. So now my friend finishes him off, but unfortunately the 62, before he died, he just shot e5, so there is only two of us against that bad chat. Yeah, the game looks not that bad actually. My friend has 4 kills, I have 3 kills, and we wait for that bad chat to come. I'm expecting him to show up in here, since we didn't see him, but he pops up in other side, so I slowly and I'm turning my tank. My friend just missed a shot, but Chad now bravely charges him, and of course I shoot him and I kill him. So it's 4 kills for me, 4 kills for him, so it's pretty neat game.